pieces, her tears unknown. Each raindrop falls, a silent cry, as she looks up to the gray. Cloudy sky, rain, rain falling down, hiding there's no one's around. In her world of shades of blue, she lost her love she thought was true. On the wet streets she treads with care, memories of him too much to bear. She once believed in love's sweet song, but now she wonders where she went wrong. Rain, rain falling down, hiding there's no one's around. In her world of shades of blue, she lost her love she thought was true. But in the rain she finds release, letting go of pain, finding inner peace. With every drop she starts to heal, knowing that time will help her feel. As the storm begins to fade